What's up?
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Today is
Laundry day.
oh yeah, and welcome back to our channel. I know you missed us. We are going to show you guys how we make our very own homemade
Laundry soap.
whoa. Okay, so I started making my very own laundry soap about 4 years ago. Prior to that, I would spend at least 20 bucks on one of these guys. Easily 20 bucks, plus fabric softeners, etc. Until I found out I can make my own on my own. And it saved me a lot of money. I can make a year's worth in a close to in between 30 and 40 bucks. It just really depends on what you like mixed in, because you can substitute some of these for different products or different brands. First of all, you're gonna need some borax, and I use the full 4-pound box, and it's just a detergent booster. It's safe, it's HE energy efficient. You can put it in any of the big bad boy washers, or you can put it in one of your older ones, which is what I have. It's not a high efficient energy washer. And then you're gonna need you don't need the whole box. This is the only thing that you need to measure out. Everything else goes in. You just need 2 cups of this guy, and I already have that measured out. And then you're gonna need 2 tubs of an oxy booster of some sort. I got OxyClean because it's all it had at my local grocery store, but there are the Oxy Orange that you can get at the Dollar Tree, which is $1. So if you can get to hold your hands on that, that is the way to go, because that will cut you out, I mean, a good 10 bucks right here. And then we're gonna do the full 3-pound box of the washing soda and 2 of any beads that you like. These are our favorite. We like these guys. They smell really, really yummy. These are a little bit on the higher end. That's why I said 30 to 40, because they ran us a little bit more, and the OxyClean ran us a little bit more. And the fels-naptha. So fels-naptha, you want 3 bars of laundry soap. This stuff smells amazing. I'm in love with this stuff. It smells great. There's also the Zote. The Zote works just as great, but I'm not a fan of the scent, so it's just personal preference. So the first step, and basically like one of the only steps that you have to do, is we need to warm this up in the microwave a little bit. 20 seconds should do it, just to soften up the soap a little bit so we can cut it into cubes. And then I'm gonna toss it in my food processor, the sweet this guy, my Ninja. It's gonna grate it up really finely so that I can mix it in with all these other items. You can also, if you don't have a food processor or a blender that you wanna use or can use, you can use one of these guys. It takes a little bit longer, but it's the same. Does the same job. When I do it by hand with this one, I lay it out on a baking sheet and I let it dry for 2 to 3 hours, and then I crumble it up in my hand to get it even finer, because you don't want those big like thick chunks. You want it nice and smooth and finely grated. Okay, so 20 seconds in the microwave. So this is basically just laundry soap. It's just a bar of soap. A bar of laundry soap. And you probably don't want to use a knife that you're too fond of. Although it might smell nice at the end. But since we softened it, it's not really going to hurt the knife too much. Oh, weirdo. It smells really good though. I like the smell. The Zote one is more floral. The This one's more like linen smelling, I would say. One more. What am I?
Purex speed washing? Except for use.
I know we should try the Purex beads sometime. Since we're doing the soapless Purex. I never really found a soap that I like. Alright. So much easier if you have a food processor. But I mean, honestly, I've done it by hand, so by hand really isn't that bad. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That is more what you want to do. You know, you even could do it finer. But I'm going to be okay with that. That'll work. So a really easy way to do this, guys, is to get 2 garbage bags, stick them inside of each other, and then I'm just going to put it all in the bag and just mix it with the bag. You can do it in a bucket, but then you kind of have to stir it, and it's kind of inefficient. So I like to do it in the bag. Okay. So since everything's going in, I'm just going to toss it in as it goes. Everything but the 2 cups of baking soda. Everything. Just this guy, you have to measure out. I like it. I like it when I don't have to measure. It's easy. Easy, 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 you guys. Easy. And laundry soap for a year. A year! A year of laundry soap. That's pretty good. That's pretty impressive. Okey-doke. Let's rock. I wanna rock. Hot damn. I think that's good. I'm just having fun. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in those 2 cups of baking soda right into my bag. she goes. Take your blade out of here, Ninja. Toss that bad boy in there. Our Ninja's gonna be nice and clean after. Okay, so we got our fels-naptha in there, 3 full bars, finely grated. We got our baking soda, and now I'm gonna do the full box of more articles. And then you wanna put your super booster in. And like I said, you guys, if you can get your hands on that awesome orange from the Dollar Tree, that stuff is amazing. And it works just good, I think. I like to keep these little tubs too. I like to keep them there good for like, I don't know, random stuff. Okay. Box of the super washing soda. You guys, this is a whole year. Okay, and then 2 of the beans. Look how pretty it looks. I sometimes keep these containers too. I'll give them to friends or families to try out my laundry soap. Because there's no fillers, there's no byproducts. It's really good on sensitive skin because I have really sensitive skin. And these beads don't hurt my skin. So. But there's Downy, there's the crystal ones. There's a whole bunch of ones. These smell so good though. Alright. These are the fireworks. Tropical. Alright, so the next step is you want to tie these bad boys really nice. You want to get these guys tied up real good. And I just want to toss it. Make sure it's mixed in real well. Alright, that's probably pretty good. And then what I do, which is pretty easy, if you got the manpower, you got those big muscles like I do, is I just get the corner of the bag and I cut a hole in it and then I just fill it up. And this is your finished product, you guys. So I just fill my stuff up into a jar like this, cute little jar, because I think it looks pretty. I just do a cute little scooper and scoop it out. For high efficient washers, you're gonna want to use just 1 scoop. But for my washer, which is not high efficient, I use 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons for non-efficient. For the big bad boys, just use 1. And then for storage of the excess, I just put it in a big Tubmade, Rubbermaid tub. And then whenever I need to refill my jar, there it is. And it lasts us, we're just a family of 2, but it lasts us a whole year. Under $40, not bad.